Got it here, Brian Tighe, presented to you by ArizonaCustomKnives.com. I'll pull links in description. These knives are incredible by Brian. Boom, look at that, out of front, incredibly hard to find. These things sell out. Wow, this right here completely cut through the steel all the way. You see the logo of Arizona Custom Knives. I never seen anything like that. Wow, skulls, beautiful, one of a kind, and look how well it sits into your hand. I love that knife maker. Where's the balance of that knife? It's a perfect balance. I love it. This is like a piece of art out the side. The next one, check this one out. Wow, out the front. Is it lefty? No. Beautiful. Damascus. That is insane. Look at that little marble inside there. Not really sure what it's called. The signature. Wow, look at that, just detail is insane. Imagine somebody make this by hand. Wow, look at that clip, accent so well with the carbon fiber, I guess. And again, that is just beautiful. Look how well it's indented. Damascus steel maybe. I need more information about that. Look at that, looks like copper. The way it's tarnished and stuff. That is a one-of-a-kind knife, assisted. Love that. You can just see every single indent into it. Probably made by hand. Wow. I'm talking about clear. It just wanna fly out from my hand. Check this out. It kicks so well. Wow. We have right here a couple more. This one is much smaller. Again, the names and everything I'm gonna put in the description by the number. That is insane, Damascus. I never seen anything like that, and it's polished too. And this is carbon fiber. Forgot what it's called. It's a special type of carbon fiber to where it's colored mixed into it. And the last one, it's just a big one, different color. Ooh, the blade is different as well. That is insane. Look at that. I love that edges out the front. As you can see, there's like a window breaker right here. It's a hard pull, so there's a safety one and a harder pull. So there's a double action, so soft pull, and then a harder pull, it flies out. Love it.